Hey you guys, my name is Sandra and today I am getting my brows laminated. I'm not really sure what brow lamination is. It looks like people put some saran wrap over your eyebrows. Not really sure, but I just know that it makes your brows look really great. Brow goals. Now I know we all have them. Mine specifically, I have suffered from the tiny, teeny, trendy brows that we all thought looked amazing with the over plucking, the over waxing, etc., etc. As you can see, I still had some chunks that I've been meaning to fill in or have been trying to fill in. I've been using one of my favorite products, which is Vegamour's Grow Advanced Brow Serum to help me out, but I'm truly hoping that this brow lamination can help my brows go in the right direction. So I'm gonna go see Mo, a brow lamination expert, and see what she can do with these bad boys up here.
Brow lamination is the newest, hottest trend in beauty. The only way I heard about it was when one of my clients brought it up to me and was like, hey, do you do brow lamination? And I was just like, what the heck is that? And that's when I started to research and I was like, okay, I really need to do this. This sounds really cool. Brow lamination is essentially sort of like a lash lift, except for your brows. The brows naturally lay kind of down. So what we do is we manipulate the hairs to go up, producing more of a feathered, full look in your brows. Having good brows really just fully frames your face, just like a good set of lashes. It really produces like a fierceness, I would say. So we're gonna start by just cleansing the eyebrow area, making sure to remove any oils and makeup in that area before treatment. You have some great brows.
Thank you.
Perfect candidate.
Yes.
So the second step that we need to do, we're going to first apply the adhesive before processing. We're manipulating the hairs to, instead of the natural direction of going down, we're actually manipulating it to go up. And so what that's gonna do is produce like a really nice, beautiful, full feathered brow look. Sort of like, you know, super 90s, but not Kate Moss 90s, more like a Cindy Crawford 90s look. So it's gonna be beautiful.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Cool. And is there anything that you would change? Like you'd prefer to have like any of the hairs go up a little bit more, or is the angle fine with you?
I think the angle's pretty great.
Yeah.
Stick with that.
Looks so
Thank
good.
you.
Yeah, and even the sparsity is gone right there.
That's beautiful.
It looks a little darker, right, to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
That's
cool.
excellent. It's almost like there's a tint built in, but it's strictly just my
It's
brows.
just your
and my hair.
brows, yeah.
Amazing. Look at that. No more 90s brows.
This is where the processing begins, and we're gonna make sure everything is timed so the brows are not over-processed. We start with a lift lotion, and then we finish with a setting lotion. The processing times vary anywhere between like 5 to 10 minutes. So if she had thinner eyebrows, we would only process her for 5. I would say she's in the middle, so medium thick, so we're only gonna process her for 8. If she had coarse and unruly brows, we would process for 10. And then we will cover it. You're laminated, my friend.
Yes, thank you.
Cool. So from here, this side's already processed. So what we're gonna do is just gently wipe off the solution. And even that just looks really great already.
Yes. I can feel it.
And why we need laminated Tide Mint is just to make sure that you don't leave here with crispy brows. Nobody wants crispy brows.
No crispy brows here.
All right, so now we're ready for solution 2, and we'll just be processing that about a couple minutes shorter. All right, check if all is good.
Let's see. Wow, they're truly beautiful.
Yeah, you're killing it.
Yes.
I'd Pinterest you.
Wow, thank you. You guys, look at these brows. I am a complete believer of brow lamination, and I am so satisfied with the thickness and the fullness that my brows have now. They've never looked this good in my entire life, and I am so satisfied by this procedure. All right, well, I'm just gonna go walk on out of here and flaunt these brows the rest of the day, so we will see you later. Bye.